In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shapes in Photopea. Begin by opening your project in Photopea and locating the Shape tool on the left-hand side of your screen. You can also activate this tool quickly by pressing the U key on your keyboard. If you right-click on the Shape tool, you will see a list of all available shapes you can use, including rectangles, ellipses, lines, parametric shapes, and custom shapes. To start, select the rectangle shape. Click and hold on the canvas where you want the shape to begin, then drag your cursor to define its size and release to place it. By default, the shape will appear filled with color. This is controlled by the fill and stroke options at the top of your screen. If you want an outline-only shape with no fill, set the fill option to no color and choose a color for the stroke instead. If the outline is not clearly visible, increase the stroke size using the size control until the outline becomes clear. Once adjusted, the rectangle will be fully visible on your canvas. If you want to create a perfect square, select the rectangle tool again and hold the Shift key while dragging. This locks the proportions and ensures all sides are equal. To create circular shapes, right-click on the Shape tool and select the Ellipse option. Click and drag on the canvas to draw an oval, or hold the Shift key while dragging to create a perfect circle. You can switch between filled shapes and outline shapes at any time by adjusting the fill and stroke settings from the top menu. As you continue adding shapes, each one will automatically be placed on its own layer in the Layers panel on the right-hand side. This makes it easy to manage and rearrange shapes as needed. You can also draw other shapes such as lines, parametric shapes, and triangles by selecting the appropriate option from the Shape tool menu and dragging across the canvas. If you want to resize or adjust any shape later, select the Move tool and enable transform controls from the top toolbar. Click on the shape you want to edit, resize it using the handles, and press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the changes before moving on to another shape. And this is how you can add shapes in Photopea.